In this video, I will show you how NextLabs SkyDRM Rights Protection Tool, RPT, protects and reprotects batches of files automatically in SharePoint based on the AIP label. SkyDRM provides persistent data protection for secure collaboration with internal users and external partners. SkyDRM RPT can perform batch protection of the files in SharePoint based on the AIP label, document library, and folder path. For sharing with external partners, RPT can automatically reprotect the file already protected by AIP with the same classification as the AIP label with SkyDRM. Here is the demo setup. The sensitivity document classification has 4 labels: public, internal, confidential, and restricted. John Tyler is in the program Big Blue of a CME company. Rob White is an external user with a Gmail user account. John Smith is SkyDRM Omega user. 4 policies are created for the demo. Policy 1, allow user in Big Blue program of a CME company to view and edit restricted or confidential and Big Blue data. Policy 2, allow SkyDRM Omega user to view restricted and Big Blue data. Policy 3, allow SkyDRM Omega user to view and edit confidential and Big Blue data. Policy 4, allow Gmail user to view confidential and Big Blue data. Now, let me show you the demo. Here are some PDF and Word files in the Big Blue folder. All the files have an AIP label, but a few are AIP protected. The file PDF sample restricted protected.pdf has the restricted AIP label and is protected by AIP with the following permissions. The co-author can view, edit, copy, and print. PDF sample restricted.pdf has the restricted AIP label and is not protected by AIP. Big Blue is a folder under the RPT demo document library in SharePoint. Here I will upload 4 PDF files into the Big Blue folder. Word doc is another folder under Big Blue. I will also upload 4 Word files into the Word doc folder. Now I will log into SkyDRM RPT. I add a repository, Farm11 RPT demo, for SharePoint folder on Farm11. I add a rule, protect Farm11 RPT demo. In this rule, the repository is Farm11 RPT demo. I turn the setting Keep Original File on. I am going to choose Azure Information Protection, AIP, for classifications and set Convert AIP to NXL to on. Then I select NXL Demo for the Azure tenant. Now let us use the sensitivity classification to inherit the AIP label and set the folder path for classification to contain RPT demo /SkyDRM program /* pattern. It means that folder name under the RPT demo directory will be used as a classification to apply protection on the file recursively. For example, files under the Word doc folder will be protected with Big Blue as a classification. Now, let me execute this rule. We check the SharePoint document library and see the files under the Big Blue folder are now protected. The files under the Word doc folder are also protected. Since SkyDRM is configured to use SharePoint as a shared workspace, SkyDRM users can view the protected file in shared workspace directly. I log into SkyDRM as John Tyler. John Tyler has the view and edit permissions on the protected files. I switch my user then to John Smith. John Smith has view and edit permissions on confidential and big blue files. John Smith also has view permissions on restricted and big blue files. Then I switch to user Rob White. Rob White only has view permission on confidential and big blue files. He has no permissions on restricted and big blue files. This is the end of the demo for the SkyDRM rights protection tool. Thank you for watching.